everybody! Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so we get notified every single time I post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and we'll encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about DJI Spark. Spark seize the moment. We're gonna talk about it like always and see what it's good for. Spark seize the moment. Meet Spark, a mini drone that features all of the DJI signature technologies, allowing you to seize the moment whenever you feel inspired. With intelligent flight control options and a mechanical gimbal and camera with incredible image quality, Spark empowers you to push your creative boundaries. It's an aircraft, basically. We are going to talk about the takeoff main dimensions, diagonal distance, and all of that. So, the takeoff weight is 300 grams. The dimensions is 143 to 155 millimeters. The diagonal distance, the propels excluded, is 170 millimeters, just like 17 centimeters, basically. Mid ascent speed is 9.8 feet, and then mid distance speed is also 9.8 feet. Sport mode is, and then the auto landing mode. The max speed is 31 mph, and that's without the wind. The max service ceiling above sea level is 13,123 feet. This is 4,000 meters. That's like a lot, guys. If you don't already know, that's like way more than usual. And then max flight time is 16 minutes, max hovering time is 15 minutes, operating temperature is 32 to 104 Fahrenheit, and the satellite positioning system is GPS, GLO, and ASS. Okay, we're going to talk about hover accuracy range as vertical. The transmitter power is 2.4 GHz, and the operating frequency is 2.400 to 2.483. Now we're going to talk about the gimbal part. Its controllable range is pitch -85 to 0. The stabilization is 2-axis mechanical. The vision system has a vision range of greater than or equal of lesser than or equal to 22.4 mph at a 6.6 feet above the ground. The altitude range is 0 to 26 feet. The operating range is 0 to 98 feet. The operating environment detects clearly patterned surface without adequate lighting. The Wi-Fi operating frequency is 2.4 GHz. The max transmission distance is 100 meters. Now we're going to talk about 3D sensing system. So the obstacle sensing range of 1.16 feet, and then the operating, 1 to 16 feet. The operating environment detects diffuse reflex surfaces. The camera sensor is 1 on 2.3 CMOS. It's effective pixels of 12 MP. The lens, however, is of 81.9, 25 millimeter, 35 millimeter format. The charger, it has an input and an output. The input is 140 volts and the output is 5V to 3A. The recommended micro SD cards is either the SanDisk, Kingston, Samsung, SanDisk, Kingston, and Samsung. Again, different kinds of them. And as you can see, it's like ranging between 16 to 64. Look now more. The ISO range is video 100 to 300. 3,200. The photo is also 100 to 1,600. The electronic shutter speed is to 1,800. The image size, as you can see, there are many ways. Still photography mode has single shot, bare shot, auto exposure, and all of that. The video resolution is 1920 times 1080 30p. The max video bitrate is 240 Mbps. Supported file system is FAT32. The photo format is JPEG. And the video format is MP4. So it's kind of like going with all of the things that you ever will need. The remote control is operating frequency, as you can see there, and then the max transmission speed. There are different like options and everything. The operating temperature is 32 to 104 degrees. The battery is 2,970 mAh, and the transmitter power is 2.4 GHz. The operating current voltage is 90 and 150 mAh. Supporting mobile is thickness range and the max length. The intelligent flight battery has a capacity of 1480 mAh, voltage of 11.4, max charging voltage of 13.5, battery life of LiPo I35, the energy is 16.87 Wh. Net weight approximately 0.2 lbs, that's basically equal to 95 grams. The charging temperature range is 41 to 104 degrees of Fahrenheit. And as you can see here, just like a picture, and yeah, you can install the app in the App Store, Google Play, or Android. Now let's get out of the little so many information parts. I just kind of send so many information to you guys, and let's explore some questions that actually was made for their users and the answers of them, because you buy it, but before you buy, you kind of want to make sure everything works. So they just ask some of those questions and see how you can fix them or anything. So what are the main differences between Spark and Mavic Pro? I know these two are if people think they're similar, but yeah, let's see. In addition to being lighter and smaller than the Mavic Pro, Spark was designed with new drone users in mind. It has an advanced gesture control, allow users to launch, direct, and land the Spark with just their hand. For more intuitive on-screen control, the Spark Tap Fly mode now includes a coordinate, letting you tap on the exact location on screen for Spark to fly towards it. In addition, a quick shot mode allows users to fly along 4% flight paths while recording short videos for cinema quality footage. The Spark gives users professional control without hassle. In contrast, the Mavic Pro features a more powerful camera capable of shooting 4K video, and yeah, it has a longer flight time and an all-custom transmitter system suitable for long-distance aerial photography. You can click the following link that will put in the description box and also in the end of this video, and you can learn more. How do I control Spark? Just by your mobile device by downloading the app. How do I activate the Spark? There are two ways. You can connect it to your mobile device, complete the activation, or you can tap on the top right icon of DJI Go for its main page. You can choose a scan QR code, use your mobile device to scan it, and then the aircraft battery compartment, and then follow the instructions to finish that. For the camera, what new functions does Spark camera have? It has support shallow focus and panel modes, which includes horizontal and vertical modes. What is shallow focus? You might ask. Creates photo with shallow depth of field with this 3D vision technology. Which panel modes are available? Vertical mode and horizontal mode. That was bad. Can I capture photos or record videos without a micro SD card? Yes, you can directly store photos and videos on your mobile device. So in this instance, the image capture are actually from live stream video for the resolution of 1024 times 768 and the video resolution of 1280 times 720. The vision, what is the maximum distance speed at which Spark can sense obstacle? It can sense obstacle 16 feet, that's 5 meters in front of it, and then the maximum speed at which Spark is able to sense obstacle is 3 meters per second. What new intelligent flight mode does Spark include? The DJI drone feature new tap flight submodes, coordinates and direction. The quick shot mode, that's professional. The drone is circular helix. Spark gesture mode also includes a new set of advanced gesture recognition capabilities, including palm control, follow, beacon, and palm mount. The remote control. What mobile device size fit inside Spark remote control? The Smart remote control fits mobile devices of 6.5 and 8.5 millimeter thick up to 160 millimeter long without a phone case. Mobile devices larger than that can do this, no need to fit that. How do you update the remote control firmware? It can be updated in the app. How long does it take to fully charge the remote control? It takes 2 hours to fully charge the remote control and has up to 2.5 hours of operation. How do I link Spark to the remote control? You can press the pause FNC1 button at the same time. Once the control starts beeping, you can release this button with the Spark powered on. press on the whole power battery, and yeah, you hear it beep, and then you release this button and linking. Now it's complete basically. The battery, how do you charge it? You use coded USB cable to charge it. During charging, you do not remove the battery from the aircraft. Use the charging hub to charge free batteries seamlessly. If you use the charging hub, you will need to remove the batteries from the aircraft and place in the charging hub. My newly purchased battery is not responding when I press the power button. What should I do? If that has happened, you can new batteries are shipped in a whole battery mode, so in order to activate it, you have to charge it fully. How long does it take to charge a full battery? When using a standard USB charger, it takes 80 minutes to fully charge a battery. When using a charging hub, it takes 52 minutes to fully charge one battery, 55 to charge the two batteries, and 85.2 minutes when charging three batteries at the same time. Now, how often should I fully charge my Spark battery? It's recommended to fully charge Spark battery at least once every 3 months, so it doesn't die. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying this. Plus, it's always really good to have more information about them. Also, you do not need to catch it right now or scribble it down. It's also in the description box below. So just go, click. You never know. Go learn more about it. You might end up using it actually. They are supposed to be used with www.dji.com, and yeah, we give them credit for their amazing work. And that's the only resource we use, so we can make sure everything is completely reliable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and tell us in the comments what videos you want to learn more next time. So, we'll see you next time. Have a really, really nice day or night. Bye!